let me show you what we got going on today. Used the trailer a little while ago, do some work around the house, moved the shed actually. This is the trailer, and we broke the tail light while we were using the trailer. Now I'm pretty sure the light probably still works, but the housing's all busted. So I decided to go to Tractor Supply this morning, and I thought I was going to have to buy an entire trailer light kit. Turns out I can just buy the one light replacement, which was pretty cool. So the lights that I ended up buying are these. You can buy just the one light, and it comes with all the wiring. Looks pretty straightforward, the same color as the light that I have here, the brown and the green. It's got the ground wire, and it also has the mounting hardware as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this swapped out and see how we do. Okay, nothing's ever easy. Rust. Gotta love rust. Gotta go get a saw. All right, that wasn't too bad. We got the light off. We got the wires cut. We're going to strip these back, and then I like to use these crimpless solder connectors. Basically, you put the wire in there, and then this in the middle is the solder, and when you heat it up, the solder melts, the shrink tubing shrinks, and then this orange band, depending on the size of the connector you have, this one happens to be orange, that orange band seals it watertight. So we're going to go ahead and get all these wires stripped back. We'll put the heat shrink connectors on. There it is, no crimp solder shrink wrapped wire connectors. I like them. They work good for me, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap some tape around those just to offer a little more protection. There it is. All right, we're going to use the supplied 10mm hardware and see if we can't. This has the option to do the rear mount, which the bolts just slide in the back, or you can do a side mount. Either way, I have to use the back for my application. All right, there it is. New taillight. Looks pretty similar to the other one. I think it'll be just fine. So, all right, let me go get the 4Runner. We'll see if it works. Alright, so that was a pretty easy repair to the trailer. Hopefully that'll help you out in some way. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.